so long. I hope you guys forgive me. To make it up to you guys, I'm gonna do a weekly vlog. 8 o'clock. I've eaten my cheesy pudding. I've drank a lot of water, so I'm gonna treat myself to a coffee. I'm gonna show you how I make it because I always get questions on my TikTok or my Instagram, so let me show you. I'm going to put honey in my little milk cup, but I like to use it also for the shots that I make. Careless Cat half calf blend. I honestly did miss you guys. I've only been gone for like 2 weeks, but this is like my regular programming. The last video that I put out was a trip, and I feel like those, I don't really get to talk to you guys too much on those, so. That under. The espresso maker that I have is from Casa Brew, and I really like it. I feel like it makes pretty good shots. So let's just do 2 cups. We're gonna use this cup that I got at a coffee shop just because I washed it and I think it's cute. Okay, this is so not on brand for me, but the store only had whole milk. So we're using whole milk today. I do it like that much. A little bit to make it a honey vanilla because I'm out of syrup. Let's stir the shot. All the honey in there. First, let's put some ice before I pour. Oh, this is so beautiful. What? That is beautiful. Okay, let's put this on. It's so good. Whenever I put it in a cup like this, I feel like it tastes more like if I were to go get it out. Life hack. I only have one customer today, and that's my mom, so we're gonna make her one. Here's my dinner. Okay, I just went grocery shopping with Aubrey, so I'm gonna give a little haul. I got some good culture cottage cheese. I like this kind. It's clean, it's good. And I got some peanut butter strawberries. PB2. I want to put this in my smoothies or maybe like my cheesy pudding. I don't know. I think it's good. Honey. I put this on everything. Silk milk. Nature Valley granola. Aubrey told me that this kind is good and crunchy, so that's what I got. Blueberries. Raspberries. Greek yogurt. This kind is so good. Some dates. These are my favorite things to also put in smoothies. And then we got lemons. I'm gonna go home, put away my groceries, and then I'm gonna finish editing some senior pictures that I took last night for a girl. So, yeah. That's my little haul. I have been reading this for the past week or so, and I really love it. Ashley, I love you if you're watching this. Yeah, you guys should definitely go check this out if you are in any type of waiting season. Maybe you're waiting for a job, your next season, a future husband. The Keel stuff is still working, but I did have a breakout last week, so I don't know, I'm not looking too shabby. Today was actually so gloomy outside. It was just not a good time. So I kind of just like did emails and little fun things on my iPad. Like 5 o'clock now. I basically went into the church and I cleaned. Yeah, I just like took down tables and stuff because there was an event. Then I came back home it was like super rainy, and so I made lunch. I had some chicken and like apples and peanut butter. I was gonna do a senior session tonight, but it's been so rainy, so we decided to postpone it. And then I have a couple others this week too, so just you guys and my 3 jobs. Let's play Praise. Update. I am done! That was so good though. Let's go home. I'm craving a smoothie. Oh, not there. I'm craving a smoothie for dinner. Half a date, a whole banana. I like to freeze mine. Some almond milk. I usually put protein powder, but I'm all out and I'm really sad. Instead of protein powder, I'm gonna put a little bit of this Wicchio's yogurt. Yeah, I would say. A little honey and a bunch of ice, and let's blend it up. Almost forgot the most important part, and that's peanut butter, which I got the PB2. I think I want to go with regular. I've never made it like this, but it's really good. I got this little gadget on TikTok, and it has like multiple settings. It has the red light, blue light, and green light. I like the red light, and it literally massages my face. I've been using this instead of my gua sha, and we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna use this little bubble face oil. It is such a sunny day today. I think I'm gonna go sit outside and do my devos, but first I want to make a coffee. It's good. Let's make breakfast. The first layer is like cheesy pudding with oats. Blueberries. Hi! We are at coffee. We haven't been to this specific coffee shop in a hot minute, so we're gonna go. Your lemon face. Yeah. Remember when I told you to smile and then I said not? It's because you're doing your lemon face. Yeah, God. Look. Delete, delete, delete. Delete. What? You see? What am I wearing? Not an 8. Plumber or nut run? All of us from Lady Bible Studies, teaching the word or stepping into ministry roles. From everyone who has been given much, much will be demanded. And from the one who has been entrusted with much, much more will be asked. Teaching? We're playing pickleball. Pickleball season, baby. My name's Aubrey McCoy. And this is my best friend Mac and Lexi, and we are looking for nice Christian men to come play pickleball. Yeah, this is our except Lexi, she's taken. Did you guys just hear that? Lady said, she said, get in the car, we got candy. I'm going to Chicago Kitty right now. Wait, is that your mom? That's not your mom's. I don't know what just happened. I hope that you guys can hear that. Don't be scared. No, I don't know if that was your second. I don't know. You're so good. See, do you see this man of God? She never gives up.
She's determined. She is bold. She...
Hi guys! I keep meeting you in the car. Right now I am going to drop Depot package off and my little film roll. Stuff is sent. I'm excited to get some new film pictures. So good right now. Edited at a coffee shop for quite some time. Saw Aubrey, and now we have a little senior session. We're doing cap and gown. So fun. It's currently Saturday, and this week has just been so crazy busy with just like little random things. Today is kind of a chiller day for me. I am just gonna spend my morning very slow because I don't have to rush off anywhere. Yesterday I actually started reading back in Exodus again, kind of where I left off with my study of Moses. Exodus is actually so good. I love learning about the Israelites. Specifically in the Old Testament, where I don't really know much of the context. I like to look up the Enduring Word commentary, and so I just look up Exodus 19 commentary, and it's the first one, the Enduring Word one. And it just goes through verse by verse, telling me the context, the commentator's notes. This helps me so much. This and the Bible Project are my key little tools. Just got 2 packages in, so let's open them. From Ash Clothing Co. Oh! The devil tried to tempt me, but I'm walking with the king. Did you guys see that? I love it so much. Aww. Thank you, Ash Clothing Co. You guys should go shop. Oh. That is so beautiful. People with their packaging is so precise. Oh, I'm doing this tonight. Are you joking? This one feels a little bit thicker, and then you have the little scrunchies to tie it in. I don't know what this is. Is this a brush? Little hair clips. I have been wanting to make a little case for my digital camera or my phone, and so I think I'm gonna try and crochet one. Okay, I ended up watching a tutorial that I can link down below if you guys want to watch it too and make one and tour with me just to get it started, because I never remember. But we're doing like a little checkered moment, and it'll match my Bible case that I made. I feel like crocheting is something that allows me to think, because I really don't have to put any brain power into remembering the different little hooks and things that I need to do. I'm just thinking about all my life right now, like moving and doing all these things with the Lord. Okay guys, we're gonna go to Sonic and get slushies or ice cream or whatever.
Our order, and she said we'll be with you as soon as we can. They have one person in the
She's
kitchen.
a little angry.
Okay, thank you.
I mean, I guess we come to Sonic for the vibes anyway, so.
Yeah, it's fine.
Guys, welcome back to my daily vlog. And today we are at Sonic.
Tell them what you ordered. What's good?
I ordered a caramel milkshake. Caramel milkshake. And a Dr. Pepper with sweet cream.
Oh, what did you get?
I got a vanilla milkshake. And that's it.
That is good. What's your name?
Lily. What's 50% off?
I'm sorry, honey. We actually just ran out of Dr. Pepper.
Can we do a Coke?
Can we do that with Coke?
Yeah, you want a cherry?
Cherry?
Vanilla?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Probably.
All right, we're not
That's crazy.
That'll be all.
There is no
Okay,
way.
so $8.77 if you're paying with charging and $6.
The service. I don't really taste the creamer.
I don't either.
I'm kind of getting coconut or something.
Get
7.
I give it a 7.
Nope. Action. Maybe?
That was it.
Kind of. Guys, I'm an amateur.